Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Rafi Ansari and you are watching Triple M Tech YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel Triple M Tech. Uh, Today I'm going to explain you about the useful concept of finding a substring in a string. Okay, so we know that we already have the few methods like the find and we can use the in statement in Python to find a string to ensure a string is a substring is present in a string or not. Okay, but let's suppose if we don't have the method, okay, and we have to write our own method, okay, or there is a requirement to write our own method for checking the counts, okay, of substring. So how can actually we can write this? Okay, so in Python, so I will try to explain each and everything for finding a substring within a string. Okay, and I will try to explain you in easiest method with the help of Excel and all. Okay, so this will be a very helping video for you guys to make clear the concept, and you can use it in your own way and you will be very comfortable after watching the complete video. So I will try to say, like, if you have not liked my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and share the content with the others. Okay, so let me just start. Give me a moment, I'm going to share my screen. I'm just open the pie chart editor. Okay, so I'm creating a file here first. Okay, give me a moment. um, I have created a substring uh, sub.py file. Okay, let's suppose I have a string called st equal to sorry Indian. Okay, this is my substring. Oh, sorry, string main string, and my string. Let's suppose my substring is, I say, I'm sorry. Okay, so if you want to ensure like this string is present, substring is present in this st string. So how can we do in Python using the the inbuilt features, like, so we can do like the ternary operator obviously. So we can write let's suppose in one statement, in one liner. Okay, I want to ensure if this is present. Okay, so how can I do if sub in st, okay, else no. So if I will run, this statement will give us this string is present or not. Okay, so this ternary operator obviously yes will come because this substring is present in st. Okay, if I will run this statement, give me a moment, let me just run this program. So you can see on the console the output is yes, so it is obviously clear that the output will come yes. Okay, so there is another way of finding the there is a find method, okay, through which we can find the uh, index of the first occurrence. Okay, if I will check for this substring and string, how can we do that? Okay, give me a moment. We can write like st dot find. Okay, find the substring starting from the index position 0 to, let's suppose, length of the st. Okay, so I'm checking from this position to this position whether that is present. Okay, I'm checking for Ansari. Okay, but it will give me this character, the first occurrence in this list. So if, let me check the unique string. Okay, substring, let's suppose hum. Okay, so in this way this actually will tell us like if it is present or not, hum substring is present or not. Okay, so if I will print it. Give me a moment. Let me just print it. Okay, so if I will print it, this will give me the index of the character h occurring in a string st. Okay, so you can see the index of h is 10. Okay, starting from 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, so h index is 10, so it's giving us, so it's specifying that, but it's not ensuring anyway that substring is present or not. But this is like, okay, this is also one of the way to check like the first character of a substring, whether it is present in, and what is the index. Okay, so in this way we can check it, and there are many other ways. Okay, but let me focus on the the substring, to find in a string by our own method. If we have to write our own method, how can we do that? Okay, if we have to write our own program to check it, okay, how can we do that? So let me just open the Excel first. Okay, give me a moment. Let's check if Excel is open or not. Okay, Excel is open. Let me a blank worksheet. Okay, let me just maximize it. Close all this. Okay, now I'm going to Rafi Ansari Hum Indian. Okay, so uh, a Rafi uh, yeah. Buddy, so this is my main string. Okay, let me just plus plus 2. So you can see from 0, if I put the cursor here and let me just drag this, okay, to go here, and I'm going to fill this series. So this series is starting from the position 0, so it is index 20. Okay, and if I start the length, give me a moment, I have to explain it clearly so you will get the idea. I mean, how we can sort it out such problems by our own. Okay, and this will be a very handy process of writing the program, such programs. So we have the 21. Okay, so one is let me just make it color coding. So this is the index. Our one is the our one is the length. Okay, so this is the index. Let me just go here, and so this is our main string. Okay, which is st. Now let me suppose we have hum. Okay, we have to find this substring. Okay, so what is the index 0 1 and 2? Okay, and obviously the length is starting from 1 2 and 3. Okay, so this is the length for this. So give me a moment. Maybe you are thinking it is so boring, but it is not the case. Okay, give me a moment. It will be very helpful, very handy solution for you. Okay, and it will make you clear over such kind of programming. Okay, so you know that if we will come, okay, if we will search this substring in in this string, obviously when the cursor will come on this position. So what I will do in my program, I will take the, I will iterate over this list, okay, and we'll check whether the first character of this substring is matching, okay. So when this character will match to this character, okay, then I will go inside the, then I will put another condition, okay. I will put a condition like, uh, first I will iterate over the index of this string, okay. I will take the character by using that index and will check to, the first character of this substring, and if the condition match, okay, then I will check what is the index, okay. I will do the slicing like st, suppose this is the string st, slicing like the index of the edge, which is 11 colon h plus length of this substring. So h and the length of the substring is 3, to 10 plus 3 is 13, okay. So I will check from this index position 10, okay. Index position is sorry, it is 10, and the length will be 10 plus 3 13, okay. So this is the length, okay, 13. So this st I will check if equal to, okay, substring, this substring, okay. And if I will do this thing only, okay, in my if condition, okay, then obviously it will not work at this position. Let's suppose if we are getting the edge here or here, okay, here at this position or this position, then I will get the exception. So what I will need to do, okay, I will need to add the length condition as well. We need to check the length of this string as well with the in comparison to substring, okay. So what we will check like what is the length of this substring, length of the string st minus the index value. Index value is 10, okay, plus 1, okay. So that will be the uh, total length minus what length we have covered so far, and that length should be greater than or equal to the length of the substring, okay. So hope you guys got the idea, because otherwise when we are at this position or this position and we will add this thing like the 3 length of the string, which is plus 3, so it will get outside of the boundary, and we will get the exception, index out of boundary exception, okay. So for that to overcome, we are considering the length, okay, corresponding length at this length, whatever length is left, okay, after reaching to the index position, that length must be equal to the length of the substring or greater than that, okay. So that's why I'm adding like the length of the string minus the index value. Let's suppose index is what will be the index, so length is 21 minus index is index is I, let's suppose I plus 1, okay. So here this will be 11, okay, plus 1, okay, will be greater than, obviously greater than equal to, so greater than equal to 3. So this will be obviously greater than equal to 3. So this will match. When we will come here, okay, at this position, this will be matched, but when we will come here it will get failed, okay. So I'm going to implement this program, okay, and you will see how it is easy actually, okay, and will give you the accurate result. So if you don't have because we don't have any such method where we can exactly count the counter etc. But let's suppose we have to write our own program. Okay, for that purpose definitely you can write in this way by considering all these things. Okay, so it will help you a lot. Okay, give me a moment. Simply I will come here and I will write a program like for I in range, okay, len. Okay, now I will check if as the index, as I told you earlier, the sub, okay, if they are matching, then we will go inside and we'll check if, okay, st, we will do the slicing. I will let you know how slicing works. Okay, I will let you know. Give me a moment. Okay, len plus I, okay, so length of the substring plus index value I'm adding, so that will be the length, okay, slicing length, okay, equal to, this will be equal to substring, and also we'll check the length left, okay, after reaching to that index in the main string. So how can we check? St minus 1 plus I, okay, or you can simply write sorry, minus I plus 1 equal to sorry, greater than equal to len of the substring. This is the only thing we have to write, and now our program is complete. Then we can simply type print, or we can say found. found uh, so this is the way. Or if you want to check the count as well, then we can simply write the count equal to, let's suppose it was 0 initially, and we can increment the count equal to 1. Okay, so let's suppose if you want to check the hum, okay, let me just print the output first. Okay, so you can see this is found. Okay, so let me just type the Indian. Okay, so sorry, controls are not here but in the substring. Okay, so Indian. Okay, so is it getting found? Yes, found. Okay, if I write inside this is getting found. Okay, and the count we have not printed. Okay, so if I print the count as well, okay, give me a moment, count. So you can see the count will also printed, that is one. Okay, after that let's suppose eh, okay, or let's suppose hum only. Okay, now I'm going to search this string again, hum. Okay, you can see the count is printed found twice. Okay, so in this way, this substring method, okay, this way we can find the substring within a string by our own logic. Okay, so this was the way. Okay, now let me explain you what is slicing, because you will get confused. I have used, if you don't have the idea of the slicing, then simply this way we can write. Okay, let me write the slicing first. Okay, so print print sub. Okay, so this is the starting index and then the length. So if I will go give this for the substring, you can see we will get the complete substring, right? Let me just run. You can see hum is coming, hum is printed. But if I give the length to starting from this 0 and the length is to HU 1 and 2, okay, so this will give you HU. So in this way, actually slicing does work, okay, or works. So simply the same concept I have used on the back and I explained you so that you can write or build your own logic to find a substring within a string. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Do share with the others, like and watch my channel and subscribe the channel as well, please. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay connected with me for most useful videos and watch the contents on my channel, YouTube channel Triple M. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.